switched to my phone camera just in case this camera doesn't catch anything, because it keeps malfunctioning. I don't know if it's because of the heat or whatever, but this will be my first time getting the normal smog, because I do need a smog check. It's July, so my tags expire this month, but I have until the 26th. Today is the 20th. I really do hope here I pass, because there's been no lights, no anything. Actually, Daryl came down yesterday, and he has this little machine that he got off of Amazon, and he plugged it into the car, and it had all green lights, no lights pending. So he was like, I don't see any reason why that it won't pass. But I'll play that clip for you guys now. Okay.
No DTCs, which means your car is very operational, which means it's good. Anything that's flashing red that says pending, it'll say right here pending. It would say catalytic converter, replace, you know, stuff like that. You're good, man.
Okay. That gave me more confidence to come here. 2K Racing is literally like right there at that light. So John was like, yeah, come here, these guys are good, your car should pass. You know, I didn't take out the battery or anything, so everything should be a-okay. This is just my first time doing it normally. I mean, out of all my cars in the past, I had to always force the smog, and it's bad to say that, but that's what I had to do. Now that I'm more of an adult and have the money to properly maintenance a car, I think I should be a-okay, because everything's still stock in the engine right now. This is a brand new engine. It was less than 50,000 miles. It's probably like around 80,000, or a little less under 80,000 probably about now. So I have nothing to worry about. Everything's original. Every part is in this engine is brand new. So let's go from there. See you guys in a bit, and wish me luck. Alright guys, the smog and everything is done. So right now I got the kit back here. It's all wrapped in the blanket. I'm gonna meet Hot Pot right now to test fit the kit, see what we're gonna do, how we're gonna mode it. I don't know how that's gonna go, but I'll let you guys know right after that. But until then, I don't know if I'm gonna record or not, because it's on my phone. Camera's not working. Just bear with me, but I will see you guys in a bit again, and we'll go from there. As far as the front, it's mainly okay, and it fits perfectly all the way to here, all the way back. It's mainly just that section, so not too bad. It's a big project, big work, a lot of cutting, and right there I'm going to bundle that and make it more flush. Okay guys, in the front I have a small gap, so I have to figure out what to do with this. I do know it's take off the lip and I can bolt it on, but I still got to figure out what to do there. And definitely need 17. Where's the gap? Kind of just probably like about a whole inch away. Side skirts are no problem. The main thing is we need to shave off this part so it's more flush, and the main part is to figure out how to kill the hatchback tail light design. So far this fits kind of flush with this, but we still got to make something that would make sense to go from here to either here and back down to this part, like kind of go around, I don't know, or should we just go with this line, follow it through here, and then just bring it straight back, which is still a lot of work. So I'm not sure. And then maybe some spacers, depending on what rims I decide to get. Yeah, I'm just gonna figure out what I'm gonna do for this rear piece. That's just the main headache right now. but we'll see what I can do. Just gotta kill that gap in the front, but I just think I can make it work. Other thing is this molding right here. I can't cut this out because it's longer on the inside. See how it's right here, and it's like it ends like somewhere over here. So gotta figure out what I'm gonna do about this section here. So as far as the fronts, it's not really a big deal. It's mainly like how I'm gonna make this. If I cut this out, I can't put 2 studs here because it already has its mounting points, and then that section with this. So there's still a lot more that brainstorming I have to do. Also have to fix the bumper, because if I bring it back, then he cannot match anything up with the kit if like that's out of whack, and you know what I mean. So I gotta make sure there's no dents on any of like this section, and then we'll go from there as far as looking at any imperfections that I need to fix now before I install this kit, because if I do, then everything needs to be in its working order, so that way we can put the kit on a lot better, a lot more flush, and with less of a headache. But the whole project is a headache, so it's just a lot of work. So we'll see what I can do. Alright guys, I'm here at the gym and I had a long day. I'm already feeling tired now, so I'm going to do my reps for all my flips and stuff before I close out this video. Or I'm just going to close out the video now and do my reps and go home, go to sleep. I had a long day, dealt with the car for all day, so I've been consistent on my workouts and I just want to keep that going. I do not know what it is with my camera, but I'm still going to be using my phone until then. Hopefully the next vlog is actually with my camera, because it makes things easier. As of right now, this is just how things are gonna have to be, so just bear with me, guys. Other than that, if you guys like the video, please like, comment, subscribe. I know it was short, nothing too much, but there's a lot of planning and stuff I have to do for the WideBody kit, because it's a lot of work. So I still have a lot of brainstorming. I still need to mock up stuff on the computer to see how I'm gonna create that back piece and go from there. Other than that, you guys please like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys next time. I am like really tired. You guys have a good day. Peace out. Love you all.